How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode we're working on the 2018 RAV4, and I have a little request. Someone Instagram sent me a message and he told me that he got all LEDs on his truck. So he was asking me how to replace the lights on the trunk and how to replace the side markers. So on the LE RAV4 we have the side markers. This one doesn't have the strip LED on the headlights. This is kind of like the regular headlights. Side markers are right here. To replace them, it's really hard to get here. It's really hard to twist this little connector. So when they say that they wanna do this, to be honest, it's not a lot of light that you're gonna get out of these side markers. It's just a little T10. But I'm gonna show you how to replace the bulb. I'm gonna put some LEDs on it. And when they told me about all this, I didn't want to do it on the truck before, because like I said, it's lights that you barely see difference between LED and regular bulb. But the good thing is that if you put LEDs, they're gonna last forever. And the other ones, the regular ones, they tend to go out really quick on some cases. It's easy to get to it if you have a pair of pliers. On the driver's side, it's a lot easier because the way you have to twist it, I'm going to show you in a minute. On the passenger side, it's kind of difficult, so we're going to remove the connector first. So the connector is out of the way. On the driver's side, you don't even have to do this, but it's really hard to twist. Everything is on your way here on the passenger side. Be careful so you don't damage your connector. Okay, so you have to remove the connector on the passenger side because yes, it is difficult to remove. So that's the bulb out of the way. I'm not gonna reuse it, but still, just in case somebody use it. Now we have the monster LED. Okay, and because these ones is a non-polarity, you can put it either way. Now let's put this back on. Careful, don't drop it. Once it's in there, okay, that's all it is on this side, but it's difficult. You don't have a lot of room on this side. Grab the connector, plug it in. So that's how you replace the side markers. Here on the driver's side, it's a lot easier. You just grab your pliers, you twist it that way, and that's how you pull it out. But on this one, I already had the T10 LED. Those are really bright. I like those monster LEDs. So link is gonna be in the description for those if you want to replace your side markers and everything inside. You saw me doing all that too. I'm gonna put that episode right here so you can go see all the videos that I have on the RAV4 for the LEDs. Here on the back, they asked me how to replace the ones on the trunk, and you have to get to these panels. This is for the license plate, the big one in the middle, and these ones are for the little lights that you're gonna see over here. For these lights, so you have the brake, turn signal, and then you have these lights in the middle. I'm gonna put on the description a set of these so you can remove panels on your cars and you don't scratch them. Don't use screwdrivers or don't use whatever you see first because you're gonna scratch your panels. Okay, like that, you don't scratch your panels. And on here I have the light right there. You just have to twist it counterclockwise and then you're gonna have the light right there. And I'm gonna show you now what I did last night when I replaced them, and I'm gonna explain you a little bit about why I'm gonna keep the regular bulbs in there. Once you put your LED, if you decide to do it, put it on and then just put it back in there, twist it to your right clockwise, and that's all it is. Same thing on this side. Then you have the connector right there, same thing. On this one that I haven't replaced, everything looks red, kind of like the same color. So if you're gonna replace these ones, I recommend you to do red color T10 LED, because on this one it looks kind of yellow. This is a T10 monster LED. It's too bright, it's white, and if you look over there, that one looks red and this one look kind of orange. It's too much LED for it, and I think the best thing to do on this case is get some. I'm gonna see if I can get some monster LEDs and get T10 red ones. That's the monster LED on that one, but I'm gonna go back to stock. This is the T10 monster LED on the driver's side, and that's the original side marker. The monster LED is a lot brighter. I changed the setting on the camera so you can see only the light output from the LED and the regular one. Let me tell you one thing, guys. If I put red turn signals, I bet you 100% I won't get pulled over. I'm just kidding. It's just freaking red. If you put LEDs on your turn signals, it's gonna hyper flash, because LEDs, they use less energy than regular bulbs. So the car or truck is gonna think that you don't have any lights in there. So that's why the same person, they make a comment on my Instagram saying that the lights were going really fast is because you need resistors. So if that person, if this helped, I recommend you to go back to stock like I just did, because if you don't put resistors, they're gonna hyper flash. But another thing, you can put one of those lights that they have the resistors in it. They're expensive, they're like 50-60 bucks for a pair of turn signals, but those can do the job. Another thing is run resistors. I can show you guys how to put resistors with the turn signals and have LEDs, but obviously you have to make splices and you have to put resistors. I don't want to do all that to the cables. I want to leave it like that. That's why I haven't messed with turn signals on the back of the RAV4, because I don't want to mess with the cables. I know it's ways to do it, so I know. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see me doing resistors on the turn signals so I can put LEDs. I can show you how. I just need to know if you guys want to see that. I can put LEDs and put resistors and make it look just like right now, but with LEDs. Let me know in the comments. Okay guys, so now that you saw the footage that I have, that I recorded last night when I was playing with all these lights, I'm gonna keep them like that for now because I need to get red ones. And for the turn signals, if you wanna go LED, get the bulbs. They have the resistor included in the lights. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.